In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and configure Origin solo account. So, Origin records your AI agent attribution like prompts, model, costs, and stores it within your Git repository so that you or your collaborators or other AI agents can use this data for engineering. To get a solo account, you need to go to the official website, getorigin.io, and create an account. Put your name, email, and password. There are options to log in with the GitHub, GitLab, or Google OAuth as well. The first thing you will see is the onboarding flow. On the initial iteration, we need to choose what AI agents we are going to use for our coding. Later on, we can add or remove agents. I'm using both Cursor, Claude Code, but we also can add Codex and Antigravity, Gemini, and past. Then we need to choose our subscription plan. Here I'll choose Claude Max, which I'm using in a Claude Code subscription. Later on, we will be able to set up the subscription plans for other agents in order to allow Origin correctly reflect the billing and the costs. Next step is connecting our GitHub repositories. So by pressing on GitHub or GitLab button, we will be redirected to GitHub, and we would need to install official Origin app, give it permissions, and then import repositories that we want to work with. I'm going to use some test repositories for this purpose. I imported them and move to the next step. So in order, if you want to use AI summaries, which is an optional feature, you need to add either Anthropic or OpenAI API key. I'm going to skip this for now, but we can add that later through settings section. And that's it. We're ready to install CLI and start using Origin platform. For that, I would need to install CLI. Since I have it installed on my computer, I'm going to skip that step. And the next step is to log into Origin solo platform. As we can see, we got API key generated automatically. So by running this login command, we connected our CLI to Origin server. And we also can see our workspace name. Then we need to go to our repository folder and run Origin enable, which would install Git hooks to all the agents that we select on the first step. Origin enable. I already had these hooks installed, but it just shows that all the agents have their hooks in place. And that's pretty much it. The last thing for us is to run the session. We could use any agent for that. I'm going to use Codex within the repository that I imported. So it was test repository. Then we use Codex. We're going to skip this. And once we started the agent, we would see that Origin detects this session. So in order to initiate the session, we would need to run something within the repository. And when agent fires first Git hook, we would see that our session was detected by origin. And we go to the dashboard. Here we have short step-by-step intro on how to use the platform, the tour that helps us to understand what functionalities and features we have here. We're gonna skip this for now. In the next session, I'm gonna tell you about how to use Origin Solo platform for your AI coding and story sessions. Thank you for watching and keep using our tool and give us the feedback. Thank you.